Hey super friends, welcome to What to Know Before the Show. I wanted to show you a cool piece of gear. A lot of workshop-y people love to have a variety of people in their room. They also like to connect with people that can't make to the event. And a great way to do that is actually just do it straight through the phone line. So you could be putting on your workshop, but also you could have people on the phone calling in. They could be special guests, who just call you from distance by their telephone. But you need a way that you can get the phone line into your PA system so that everyone in your room can hear the person on the phone, but also that you can get your PA system into the telephone so the person on the phone can hear people in your room. So they could be asking questions, but the person on the phone can also hear it. So you need this two-way kind of thing going on. So let me spin you around here. What we got? All right, you got your basic phone line. You don't need to know too much about that, but I just wanted to show you what happens here. The phone line goes down, it goes into our security tape, and then it goes up the room. So then we follow it up the room, and I'm going to show you this cool piece of equipment. It is called a Gettner. This is called a Gettner, and what it does is it takes a phone signal, transfers it into an analog signal that you can actually put in an XLR cable, and that goes into the back of our mixing board. So we've got the person on the telephone, comes into the Gettner, they go into the mixing board. So now the person on the telephone can be projected out to the PA system into the speakers. So what we need to do though as well is that we have to have the person on the phone be able to hear what's happening in the room. So what we do is we use an auxiliary out from the mixing board, and that's going to go back into the Gettner, and then that's going to go to our PA system. So now the person in the room can hear everything that's going on in the room. The person, everyone in the room can hear the person on the phone and everyone else in the room. And all we do is we have that come out of an aux, an auxiliary, and here's our auxiliaries here. And the beauty about auxiliaries, you can turn up all the volumes independently. So if one of the microphones is too loud for the person on the phone, you just dial that down a little bit, but we've got them all up so the person on the phone can hear every single microphone that we've got set up in the room as if they were right in the room. And let me spin you around again. That's a great way to have someone who isn't in your workshop space be able to take part in your workshop space. So you can have a speaker, a guest speaker from anywhere in the world, as long as they can get in through a phone line. They can be in your workshop room talking to your audience. Your audience can hear them really well, and that's how a Gettner works. And that's what to know before the show.